Hello traders and investors, welcome to Sharemarketseatosee channel. Starting this week, every Saturday we will be releasing a video about a SEBI updates where we have to know as a trader and investors what is the new updates being given by SEBI on weekly basis, and how as a trader and investors we have to be aware and update of all those regulations. So with the initiative of that, we will be reviewing all the SEBI related actions and giving you in a simplified way with what all the public notices is given, what are the regulations and acts been changes been given, and how many circulars been given, and how many gazette notification is been given. With the simplified information we will be providing you. So for this week, we can see there are 2 public notices been given, 4 circulars been given, and 1 gazette notification is given. Let's see what are those in this video. So first let's see about the 2 public notice issued. So the first notice being issued for the proprietor of Stock Solutions, who is Mr. Sri Mukul Lohar. He is being identified as the unregistered investment advisor. So this is the very key important notice. When you are being a hard earned money, you have been investing with some unregistered advisors, then they have been lost with the investing in the share market. It's very hard for SEBI to claim the money for you, since you have been invested the money with unregistered advisors. So please be taken noted that Stock Solutions, which is the proprietor Sri Mukul Lohar, is not a registered investment advisor with SEBI. So please don't invest the money unless they've been registered with the SEBI. The second notice is issued for Eureka Finshare. So the proprietor of Mr. Ram Singh is also an unregistered investment advisor. So please don't invest on such unregistered investment advisor. Later on they end up with a loss. As I mentioned, you cannot claim the money for that you have invested if they end up with a loss. So please always make sure when you are been investing a money, that's been you are investing or investing the money with the registered SEBI advisors. That is the very important. SEBI issued this public notices for the people, that you have to be aware of these public notices, that you should not invest with the unregistered investment advisor. They haven't given with the warning letters. If they repeat of the same, then they will be end up with the consequence of it. So this for your awareness. So next we'll see the circulars. So first circular is issued on February 17th. This circular is about the most important terms and conditions for investment advisors. So as an investment advisor, how all the investment advisors should be registered with the SEBI. There are, as we mentioned, there is a public notice. There are unregistered investment advisors. You have to be a registered advisor. This is a callback notice circular from the SEBI. So this effect is already implemented from January 8th onwards. So still the circular being issued under the Act of 1992 SEBI. So please, there is an important notice, terms and conditions for the investment advisor. If you are an investment advisor, please go and check back with the SEBI to comply with their regulations. So the next circular is about the most important terms and conditions for research analyst. If you are a research analyst as an employee that you have been working for any of the firms which is dealing with the financials, then there is a terms and conditions applied with the SEBI is required, and you should be registered with the SEBI for being approved research analyst. If you have been found that you have been working under non-approved SEBI unregistered research analyst, then it will be a consequence both for the firms as well as for the individual. So please, this is the most important terms and conditions being given by the SEBI under the SEBI Act of 1992. Please follow this and get updated if you are a research analyst. The third important circular is being given regarding the clarification about the investor education and awareness initiatives. This circular being issued for all the mutual fund companies with the mutual fund companies who are dealing with the mutual funds. For example, like ICICI, SBI, all of them having the mutual funds with their company. The mutual funds, how effectively the funds of the investor being used, and there are some changes being given with for the mutual fund, that earlier it was 60 days that the mutual fund money can be hold for the investment, but now they have changed to 30 days, and if they are not utilized the money for 30 days, then investor have the right to take the money back without any charges. So such are the changes that is been issued for the mutual funds related to the mutual fund by SEBI. The circular was issued on February 20th, and circular number been noticed as well for you here. So the next fourth circular, which is issued on 21st February 2025, this is about the investor charter for stockbrokers. So this circular is for the stockbrokers. So what is for the stockbrokers? They have mentioned in these regulations. So they have mentioned how the stockbrokers, they have to, the platforms that they are using is being given with security, and how the platform is secured from the cyber crime on for the fake access of the similar way of duplicating. There are a number of fake brokerages been happening with the similar, for example, like Zero, the same platform, they are someone is using with a different duplicate or a dummy, and they are trying to cheat the money with that. So do not use the share the OTP for any accessing, and from the stockbrokers. That are such more important detailed informations given for the stockbrokers, how their investors profile or website should be handled. Such things are explained in this circular. So that's the very important circular for this week about investor charter for the stockbrokers. Next is about the Gazette notification for this week. There is one Gazette notification being issued by SEBI during this week on February 17th. The notification under Securities Exchange of Board Corporation Regulations 2007 Research Analysis Certification Examinations. That is the main. So if you see the previous circulars and public notices which we have seen, there has been unregistered SEBI investment advisor, unregistered research analyst. So what SEBI have notified here, they have mentioned that whoever been a research analyst, they have to be gone through an exam of NESM by passing NESM Series XV, which is the series of NESM examination 15 series. So you guys who have been a registered analyst with an employee of any of the firms or individual, then they have to be gone through the examination of this. Then only they have to register with the SEBI to be an approved research analyst. Unless otherwise, you are not authorized to provide any stock based or any security based research analysis information to the public. So this is a circular issued on 17th February, and this is going to be applicable from in effect of March 1st 2025 onwards. I hope this video is beneficial for you. Such a SEBI based informations you have to be get updated, and as we are a general retailer or a few hard earned money should not go in vain with unnoticed of the SEBI regulations. That's very important. I hope this video is beneficial for you. Please subscribe the channel, leave your comments. Thank you. Stay safe, invested.